Hey, it's me Bhavya and you're catching me up on Karnal Breaking News. Today we are exploring the pretty campus of Sri Ram Global School that you can very easily find on the Kunjpura Road, Karnal Naval Road near Karnal Airport. And we have all the students with us. This is the very beautiful classic reception area of school. और सभी बच्चे कर रहे हैं सुबह सुबह स्माइल. इसका मतलब स्कूल आना तो उनको अच्छा लगता ही है. इसके अलावा श्री राम ग्लोबल स्कूल आपको अकेडमिक प्रोस्पेक्टस प्रोवाइड करता है फ्रॉम क्लास नर्सरी टिल क्लास 12th. ऑल द स्ट्रीम्स आर अवेलेबल ओवर हेयर फॉर योर हाई स्कूल स्टडीज़. और इसी के साथ आपको सभी स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटीज़ मिलती है, बी इट वॉलीबॉल कोर्ट हो या फिर हॉर्स राइडिंग एक्टिविटी हो, फुटबॉल कोर्ट हो या फिर बैडमिंटन कोर्ट हो. इसी के साथ जो केजी स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं उनके लिए एक बहुत ही वाइब्रेंट और ब्राइट सा एरिया है जहाँ पे वो लर्निंग करते हैं विद फन, विच इज़ अगेन वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डिस्कवरी लैब उसको बोलते हैं. इसके बाद फिर लाइब्रेरी है जो कि नॉलेज सेंटर है और पढ़ने का सही मज़ा तो लाइब्रेरी में ही आता है. उसके अलावा यहाँ पे एक आइल सेंटर भी है, मतलब कि आइल स्पोकन इंग्लिश क्लास है. और उसके अलावा लाइव स्मार्ट क्लासेस हैं जिसमें बच्चे स्मार्ट वे में लर्निंग करते हैं. और इसके अलावा क्या क्या फैसिलिटीज़ है उसके लिए हम बच्चों से खुद बातें करेंगे.
And my teachers, the staff of school is very loving and inspirational. They care for us like their own child.
आइए let's interact with the students, the very bright students at Sri Ram Global School. Hi, what's your name and how's your experience with Sri Ram Global School?
Good morning everyone, I am Ekik from grade 10th. I joined the school last year, but due to transfer of my father, I am forced to leave the school. I have made a special memories here and I will miss my school very much.
Oh my God, so you're leaving
Yes sir.
and you're sad.
Yes ma'am.
भाई बच्चों को तो स्कूल जाने में डर लगता है और यहाँ पे स्कूल छूट रहा है तो बच्चों को बुरा लग रहा है. तो इससे पता चलता है कि श्री राम ग्लोबल स्कूल से बच्चे कितना अटैच हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे टीचर्स और बच्चों के बीच का जो रिलेशनशिप है वो बहुत ज़्यादा चेरिशिंग है. इसके अलावा वी हैव अदर स्टूडेंट्स विद अस, उनसे भी इंटरेक्ट करते हैं. हाय, व्हाट्स योर नेम एंड हाउ इज़ योर एक्सपीरियंस विद द स्कूल?
Good morning, my name is Jashanpreet and I am studying in grade 10th. I am a French learner in Ram Global School. We have good teachers here and those who have made French learning easy for us. Thank you.
इंटरेस्टिंग. श्री राम ग्लोबल स्कूल प्रोवाइड्स यू अ चांस टू लर्न फॉरेन लैंग्वेजेस एज वेल. तो अलग से आपको कोचिंग फीस पे करके कई इंस्टीट्यूट्स ढूंढने की ज़रूरत नहीं है टू बी अ ग्लोबल सिटीजन. तो इसका मतलब कह सकते हैं श्री राम ग्लोबल स्कूल, जैसा नाम है ग्लोबल, उसकी एम भी यही है कि अपने स्टूडेंट्स को ग्लोबल सिटीजन बनाया जाए. और कॉन्फिडेंस तो बच्चों का बोलने के तरीके से झलक ही रहा है. इसके अलावा भी आपको बहुत सारी फैसिलिटीज़ बताती है. विल कैच अप ऑन दैट. मतलब बच्चे चाहते हैं अपने स्कूल का नाम भी चमकाएं, जैसे स्कूल उनके जीवन में अपना ज्ञान देकर उनकी ज़िंदगी को चमका रहा है. इसी के साथ मैं आपको बताऊं कि जो श्री राम ग्लोबल स्कूल है उसकी अप्रोच बहुत ही ज़्यादा बैलेंस लाइफ को कहीं ना कहीं टारगेट करते हो. ये चाहते हैं कि बच्चे अकेडमिकली भी स्कॉलर बने, एक्सेल करें, नाम हो उनका देश विदेश में. इसी के साथ को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ में भी अपने आप को फ्लरिश करके रखें. इसीलिए तो स्कूल में आपको म्यूज़िक रूम भी मिलता है, डांस रूम भी मिलता है, लाइब्रेरी है, नॉलेज सेंटर है, फॉरेन लैंग्वेजेस सिखाई जाती है, क्लासरूम्स जो हैं वो लाइव स्मार्ट क्लासरूम्स है. आइए और भी बच्चे हैं उनसे बातें करते हैं. हाय, व्हाट्स योर नेम, हाउ इज़ योर एक्सपीरियंस विद श्री राम ग्लोबल स्कूल?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Palak from grade 11th and I'm studying in SRGS. The bond we have with our teachers is really nice. We don't feel like we are having a conversation with our teacher and students. It's just friendly. We can share each and everything over here. And also we also used to have our functions.
वेरी वेल एक्सप्लेन्ड. इसी के साथ मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि टाइम टू टाइम अलग अलग ओकेजन्स को भी श्री राम ग्लोबल स्कूल बढ़ चढ़कर सेलिब्रेट करता है. वी हैव अदर स्टूडेंट्स एज वेल. लेट्स इंटरेक्ट विद देम टू. हाय, व्हाट्स योर नेम एंड विच क्लास डू यू रीड?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Geet from grade 8th. I am close to technology. I want that I should be a techno-savvy. It's my favorite subject. The computer teacher teaches us very well and takes our doubt also.
विद दैट आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड कि कंप्यूटर क्लासरूम्स भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा वेल इक्विप्ड हैं यहाँ पर. और इसी के साथ बच्चे आपको ना हेडफोन्स लगाकर लैंग्वेज क्लासेस में बहुत ही इंडल्ज्ड मिलेंगे, क्योंकि उनको यहाँ पे लर्निंग करने में मज़ा आता है. ऑल द क्रेडिट गोज टू द स्टाफ ऑब्वियसली. देन वी हैव अदर स्टूडेंट्स एज वेल. लेट्स टॉक टू देम. सिंस हाउ लॉन्ग यू हैव बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ श्री राम ग्लोबल फैमिली?
I have been here since the inception of the school from third class and I am here now in ninth class and this has been a great experience and I love coming to school.
अमेजिंग. अगर बच्चे बोले दैट दे लव कमिंग टू स्कूल तो वाकई कुछ ना कुछ बात तो स्कूल में है. इसी के साथ मैं आपको बता दूं श्री राम ग्लोबल स्कूल ने अपनी ऑलमोस्ट 9 इयर्स की लेगेसी को करनाल में कंप्लीट कर लिया है. फिर से बता देती हूँ, आपको मिलेगा कुंजपुरा रोड पर नेवल और करनाल के बिल्कुल पास में. तो आप भी विजिट कर सकते हैं. एडमिशन जल्दी ओपन होने वाले हैं. हाय, व्हाट्स योर नेम, इन विच क्लास डू यू रीड?
Good morning. I am Chesta of grade 12th medical. I have here in this school for the past 2 years.
Uh, I have learned a lot from my school and my teachers. The staff of school is very loving and inspirational. They care for us like their own child. We have all the facilities available in our school, so we can learn from that with lot of experiences. The science lab of our school having all the equipments one required to successfully carry out the experiment. The library is filled with books in many languages. Thank you.
लाइब्रेरी मिलेगी जो कि फुली ऑक्यूपाइड है, वास्ट नंबर ऑफ टॉपिक्स को कवर करती हुई बुक्स पे। तो फ्री टाइम में श्री राम ग्लोबल स्कूल के बच्चों की फेवरेट हॉबी है लाइब्रेरी में जाकर अलग अलग बुक्स को एक्सप्लोर करना और उनमें जो सिमटा हुआ ज्ञान है उसको लेना और ग्रहण करना। इसके साथ और भी बच्चे हैं हमारे साथ, आइए उनसे बातें करते हैं। हाय, व्हाट्स योर नेम?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Bhavika. I'm 10th grade student. To be in a board class, it doesn't seem to be a burden here as everything is explained practically and all the concepts are clear. And experiential learning is the forte of this school. All the teachers are very friendly to us. I love my school very much.
When education doesn't seem like a burden, मुझे लगता है स्कूल ने वाकई कुछ अलग अप्रोच जो है उसको अडॉप्ट कर रखा है और इसका क्रेडिट जाता है श्री राम ग्लोबल स्कूल को। What's your name and what's your favorite corner of the school?
Good morning, ma'am. I am Rohani. Although my mother is a principal, but I thank her to make me a part of this institution. The environment here is very comfortable. I love to go to the IELTS lab where we get to have a next level experience of speaking and learning. Activities are the major part of our learning experience. Thank you so much.
I thought let's take you along when we are exploring the pleasant campus of Shri Ram Global School. चलिए और enter करते हैं. This is the language class, French class. Excuse me, ma'am. May I interrupt you for a second because I really want to interact with the students. Let's meet them and talk to them. So basically, I know one word that bonjour is like a hello in French. So hi, bonjour.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, monsieur. Yeah, that's interesting. And how do you say Happy New Year in French?
Bonne année.
क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग। तो आई थिंक मुझे लगता है बच्चे बहुत अच्छे से फ्रेंच सीख रहे हैं, फ्रेंच लेसन्स काफ़ी अच्छे चल रहे हैं। मैम आई थिंक यू शुड कंटिन्यू, क्यों बच्चों की पढ़ाई को इंटरप्ट करना और आगे कुछ और एक्सप्लोर करते हैं। माई फेवरेट एक्टिविटी टू डू अपॉन विजिटिंग एनी स्कूल इज इंटरेक्टिंग विद द टाइनी टॉट्स एंड आई एम अप टू डूइंग दैट। सो वी हैव सम क्यूट किड्स विद अस, लेट्स टॉक टू देम। हाय, व्हाट इज योर नेम एंड व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू ऐड ऑन अबाउट योर स्कूल?
Hey everyone, I am Adishta from grade 5th and I am studying in this school from last 5 years. I love the infrastructure, my teacher and my school principal is simply amazing. The way my teacher teaches us is wonderful. We celebrate every festival in our school. I love to be the part of Shri Ram Global School. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Great. Well, the students over here have some great oratory skills. Hi, what is your name and what would you like us to know about Shri Ram Global School?
Bonjour tout le monde, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Khyati, studying in Shri Ram Global School in grade 4. Well, if I will talk about my school, I love to do yoga, I love French language. In my school there is horse riding, swimming in summers and many other school and zonal competitions. I am so lucky to be a part of SRGS. I love SRGS.
Do you also have ever visited SRGS? So do comment below and then we have some other students with us. Hi, what is your name and tell us a little bit about your school?
Good morning. I am Atharv Gupta of grade 6 Pearl. My school is a place where dreams are nurtured and values are built with dedicated teachers and vibrant atmosphere. It inspires us to grow in knowledge, creativity and character from academics to co-curricular achievements. Our school shapes us into a confident individual and I am really proud to be a part of this amazing Shri Ram Global School. Thank you.
Well, I also believe that the environment of the school plays a very pivotal role in one's childhood. Hi, what is your name? And tell us a little bit about your school.
My name is Kripi Sachdeva. I study in grade 7th. Good morning everyone. Our school has many facilities. Schools help us in nurturing our... Schools are the first place where we learn, where our teachers help us in building our future. At my school, I am learning discipline and punctuality from my teachers. My goal is to become a successful and great person. SRGS is a platform which helps me to grow. Although I came from Hyderabad, I had no problem in adjusting myself in this environment. Thank you.
Well, I think she mentioned a very important point that she has no adjusting issues in the school, and that I think is the key basic necessity for any student to flourish himself.
I am Bhamika from grade 12. I am a commerce student and head girl of the school. I have been studying here for the past 6 years and it has been a wonderful experience so far. Our teachers are really very supportive and helpful. Even our principal ma'am is always ready to assist us in every way possible. And as we have the aspirants who wish to go abroad, so for them we do have IELTS classes, and for aspirants, doctors and engineers, we have JEE and NEET classes. And this is my last year here, and I promise to all my teachers that I will pass out with flying colors and bring laurels to the school, and I feel extremely proud while saying that I am a part of SRGS Karnal. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Ishita of grade 6 Pearl. I'm a student of SRGS and I'm proud to say that this school sets up a benchmark in education, all-round development, nurturing the students to excel and become future leaders. Thank you.
Next, we have principal of Sri Ram Global School, Miss Savita Kapoor. Let's interact with her. Ma'am, firstly, I would like to tell you that I thoroughly enjoyed exploring the campus of the school and interacting with the brilliant minds that you're working on right now.
The credit goes to my wonderful, wonderful, wonderful staff. I've got such an energetic and hard-working staff that I'm very proud of. So, and it is the staff which creates
I
it.
think you are an epitome of positivity right now. Well, the question is that how is Sri Ram Global School different from other schools, and what is the USP of this school, and why should parents visit the school for during the admission time for the queries and not any other school in the city?
The thing is that so many schools have beautiful infrastructure, right? So many schools have big, huge campuses. Even we have one.
Yes.
But the thing is, as I said earlier, that my staff is so good that even when the child is sick for 2 days, they start calling the parents and asking and visiting the children. So that parental touch is there.
Yes.
The teachers are like, indeed, my teachers are second parent to the students. Why the parents are sending all the way from, they're not sending to other schools in the city, and they're sending from the sectors, they're sending the children to our school. The only reason is the quality we maintain. Spoken English is obvious a forte of our school. Second is the French language, and we have got AI and coding are one of the skill subjects we are teaching it. And the other thing is the way the teachers are doing the things in a practical way. The children are given the exposure. We are taking our children around, and we are not only giving our children the exposure to the practical subjects in the school only. We held Coco Nationals here, where we got teams from Sharjah, Oman, and all like throughout India, pan India, we were having teams. So that ultimately gave exposure not only to my children but to my students, not to my students only, to my staff as well. And the children got a chance to play. And 36 of my girls, they participated in nationals in Coco Nationals. That is a huge thing, no? My children, they are playing boxing, they are into cricket. Even I have got girls who are playing cricket. So it is not, we have not divided the thing. See, cricket means a boy thing, or football means a boy thing. So they are participating, and the children are also, they are into values, they have those ethics. You find the other schools where the children are fighting against each other and complaining, but here they live in such an amicable way. They are working diligently, even the students, and especially the efforts of the parents can also be seen, that when the parents have any problem or they have suggestion, they know it will not only be heard, it will be implemented also if it is practical for us. So the parents are also very cooperative and participating. That is the best part of our school.
Thank you, Savita ma'am, for interacting with us, and I think it was indeed an insightful conversation. Now we are at Abacus classroom. तो इसका आइडिया तो आपको लगे कि कितनी एडवांस टेक्निक्स यूज़ करके, स्मार्ट अप्रोच यूज़ करके बच्चों को यहाँ पे सिखाया जाता है. ऑब्वियसली फन विद लर्निंग का कंसेप्ट भी यहाँ पे जो है अडॉप्ट किया जाता है. और इसके अलावा ये अबैकस है, इससे तो हम सब लोग काफ़ी अच्छे से वेल अवेयर हैं, लेकिन ये कैसे काम करता है उसके लिए लेट्स इंटरैक्ट विद दीज स्टूडेंट्स. हाय, व्हाट इज़ योर नेम एंड काइंडली एक्सप्लेन अस हाउ डज अबैकस वर्क.
My name is Yashvi. This is a master abacus tool. This outer wooden cover is called frame. These are lower bits. Each has value 1. These are upper bits. Each has value 5. This line is called value bar. These are dots. The middle dot value is 1. If the lower bit touch the value bar, the value is 1. If the upper bit touch the value bar, the value is 5. Thank you.
And I would like to add that Sri Ram Global School is very much accessible to you because they have transportation facilities through their private buses as well. And with that, they offer widest range of facilities, be it from sports to academics to especially designed vibrant discovery labs for KG students and so much more. So you can visit once and check out and take your queries because admission season is arriving soon. This is me, Bhavanarang, signing off from Karnal Breaking News, Karnal.